To install Fuzzy Lookup, Google search Fuzzy Lookup for Google Sheets. This is the add-on on Google Marketplace. We then install it. Once installed, it should appear on the list of installed add-ons. As you can see, we have various menus: Fuzzy Lookup, Fuzzy Match menu, as well as subscription and help buttons. To use a Fuzzy Lookup add-on, you can use the user interface or directly type the formula. For this case, we will type the formula. We want to retrieve the departments for each and every salesperson using the name similarity. The formula has various parameters such as value to lookup, value to match on, columns to retrieve, as well as the threshold to apply to the formula. So we select them accordingly. The add-on is performing the match. Hurrah, we can see the output. The data from the other table have been retrieved onto our primary table together with the similarity score. Examples of the workings of the add-on are names like Mike Jackson, which the add-on was able to match to Jackson Mike and retrieve the corresponding department. The formula also matched John Hanks to John N. Hanks well.